Hello everybody, welcome to our guide on designing the perfect modular kitchen. If you've ever found yourself wondering where to start when it comes to creating a functional and stylish kitchen, you're in the right place. Designing a modular kitchen doesn't have to be overwhelming. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your space into something practical and beautiful. In this video, we're breaking it down for you, everything from assessing your space to picking out the right materials, and even how to make the most of smart appliances. Whether you're doing a full renovation or just looking to upgrade a few elements, these tips will help you create the kitchen of your dreams. Let's get started. The first step in designing your modular kitchen is understanding your space. Grab a tape measure and carefully note the dimensions of your kitchen. Make sure you measure everything, doors, windows, and where your electrical outlets are located. This will help you visualize how your kitchen can be laid out. Next, think about the best layout for your space. If you have a larger area, an L-shape or U-shape layout might be ideal, providing more countertop and cabinet space. For smaller kitchens, a straight or parallel design might work best. This initial planning ensures that every inch of your kitchen is used efficiently and helps avoid surprises down the road. Now that you've got your kitchen layout in mind, it's time to plan the work triangle. The work triangle refers to the positioning of your sink, stove, and refrigerator, three essential areas you'll constantly move between while cooking. For a functional kitchen, these 3 points should be close enough to make your workflow smooth, but not too cramped. Ideally, they form a triangle that allows easy movement without obstacles. A well-designed work triangle makes your kitchen more efficient, reducing the time and effort spent moving around while preparing meals. Choosing the right materials is essential for both the look and durability of your kitchen. For cabinets, consider materials like plywood or MDF, both of which are sturdy and resistant to moisture. They're also available in a variety of finishes to suit your style. For countertops, you want something that can handle the heat and daily wear. Granite, quartz, or marble are great choices. Not only are they durable, but they add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Don't forget about the backsplash. Go for materials like glass or tiles that are easy to clean and maintain, ensuring your kitchen stays stylish and functional. Now, let's talk about style. The look of your kitchen sets the tone for the entire space. Are you drawn to a modern, minimalist vibe, or do you prefer something more traditional? Your choice will guide everything from cabinet finishes to color schemes. If you're going for a minimalist look, stick with sleek lines and neutral tones. For a modern touch, you might add bold accents or unique design elements. On the other hand, a traditional style might include classic cabinetry and warm, inviting colors. Your kitchen style should reflect your personal taste while also complementing the rest of your home. When designing a modular kitchen, smart storage solutions are key. You want to make the most of every inch of space while keeping things organized and accessible. Start by thinking about your cabinet setup. Pull-out cabinets and drawers can help you reach those hard-to-access areas with ease. For corners, consider lazy Susans or pull-out shelves to make the most of every nook. Overhead cabinets are great for storing items you don't use every day, while deep drawers can handle pots, pans, and utensils. Don't forget about vertical storage. Tall pantry units can keep your dry goods neatly organized and within reach. Efficient storage solutions help keep your kitchen clutter-free and functional. Incorporating smart appliances can make your modular kitchen more efficient and convenient. Imagine having a refrigerator that alerts you when you're running low on groceries, or an oven you can preheat from your smartphone. Choose appliances that blend seamlessly with your cabinetry for a sleek, modern look. Smart refrigerators, for instance, often come with features like touchscreens and Wi-Fi connectivity, making meal planning easier. Dishwashers with smart controls can be managed remotely, and induction cooktops offer precise temperature control. By integrating these smart technologies, you'll not only enhance your kitchen's functionality but also make your cooking experience more enjoyable and streamlined. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and functionality of your kitchen. To start, you'll need task lighting for work areas like countertops and cooking spaces. Under cabinet lights are perfect for this, providing clear illumination where you need it most. Ambient lighting is equally important, as it creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Consider recessed ceiling lights or a stylish pendant fixture over your island to brighten up the space. For a touch of elegance, add accent lighting. Backlighting your backsplash or installing LED strips under shelves can create stunning visual effects and highlight design features. Effective lighting not only enhances your kitchen's look but also makes it a more enjoyable and practical space to work in. Proper ventilation is essential in any kitchen to keep the air fresh and free from smoke and odors. A good ventilation system ensures that your cooking space remains comfortable and clean. Start by selecting an efficient chimney or exhaust fan that suits your kitchen layout. For open kitchens, a wall-mounted or island chimney can work well, while built-in options might be better for more compact spaces. Ensure that your ventilation system is powerful enough to handle the cooking you do, and make sure it's installed properly to maximize its effectiveness. Proper ventilation not only keeps your kitchen air clean but also helps maintain the overall hygiene of your cooking environment. Choosing the right color palette can dramatically influence the look and feel of your kitchen. Your color choices should align with the style you've selected and create the atmosphere you desire. For a timeless and versatile look, stick with neutral tones like white, gray, or beige. These colors can make your kitchen appear larger and more open. If you prefer a bit more character, add pops of color through accents like a vibrant backsplash or colorful cabinetry. Bold shades can also be used to create a striking focal point, while softer hues can make the space feel cozy and inviting. Remember, the right color palette can set the tone for your entire kitchen and reflect your personal style. Adding finishing touches is where you can let your personality shine through. These small details make a big difference in how your kitchen feels and functions. Start with hardware, choose stylish cabinet handles and knobs that complement your design. These little elements can enhance the overall look of your cabinetry. Consider incorporating open shelving to display your favorite dishes or decorative items. It's a great way to add character and make your kitchen feel more personalized. Adding a few decorative elements like a trendy kitchen rug or some fresh plants can also bring warmth and charm to the space. These finishing touches not only make your kitchen more visually appealing but also reflect your unique style and preferences. Planning for maintenance is key to ensuring your kitchen stays looking fresh and functions well for years to come. Choose materials that are easy to clean and maintain, as this will save you time and effort. Opt for finishes and surfaces that resist stains and wear. For example, matte countertops are generally easier to keep clean than glossy ones, which show fingerprints more easily. Soft-close cabinet hinges are another great feature. They prevent slamming and reduce wear and tear. Regular upkeep is also essential. Simple tasks like wiping down surfaces, cleaning out cabinets, and checking for any wear and tear can go a long way in preserving your kitchen's condition. By planning for maintenance, you ensure your kitchen remains both beautiful and functional. While designing your modular kitchen can be a rewarding DIY project, consulting a professional can make a significant difference. A kitchen designer or contractor brings expertise that ensures everything is done correctly and efficiently. A professional can help with detailed planning, including precise measurements and layout adjustments. They'll also assist with installing appliances, plumbing, and electrical work, ensuring everything functions seamlessly. Plus, they can offer valuable advice on the latest trends and materials, helping you make informed decisions. By bringing in a pro, you can avoid common pitfalls and achieve a polished, well-executed kitchen design. It's a worthwhile investment that ensures your kitchen looks and performs exactly as you envisioned. And that's a wrap on our guide to designing your modular kitchen. By following these 12 essential steps, you're well on your way to creating a space that's both stylish and functional. From assessing your space and planning the work triangle to choosing materials and adding those final touches, every detail counts. Remember, the right design can transform your kitchen into a place where cooking becomes a joy rather than a chore. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to HD Interiors for more home design inspiration. Drop your questions or share your own kitchen design ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.